Welcome. If you want to download the iPhone keyboard on your OPPO Reno 3, for the first you have to open Play Store, click on the search. Right here you have to type iPhone keyboard. Choose this one and enter for this application. Click on the install. Now just wait a little bit. Okay, right now we can open this application. Click on the allow. Right now we have to skip it. Tap on the start. Tap on the enable. Use the iPhone 11 keyboard. Go back, click on the switch and use again iPhone 11 keyboard. And right now when you are going to use our keyboard, for example in the messages, here it is, it changed for the iPhone keyboard. Also we can find here the emojis. And we can change the theme. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.